Well, the fella that was helping me cut the yards yesterday, he hit a big old brick and broke one of the bolts and also broke the frame that holds the engine in place. So what I did, cut this piece of metal to fit in here, but now the problem is trying to get this bolt out. Of course, going into aluminum, it's, you know, aluminum and metal don't mix very well, and so it corroded up, and of course I broke the bolt trying to get it out. Now I've got to drill that out. There's no way I can personally get this thing centered to get to run a tap in there to clean out those threads. So I'm going to try to do the next best thing, which is go one size below it. Like this is a 3/8. I'm going to try to go to a 5/16 high strength bolt and put here. So that's where I'm at. First thing I got to do is just drill a pilot hole. Sounds like the bit's getting a little dull. Let's go ahead and go to let's get the size for our 1/2 inch, which I think is going to be a 1/4 inch. Okay, the drill size for the 5/16 bolt is an F 257 thousandths. I think I better get some cutting fluid. Yeah, I think I'll go sharpen this bit again. Be right back. Okay. Okay. Well, I can tell this is a hard-ass bolt, so it's going to be hard for a tap to get through there, but we'll get it. I think something broke. Juice on there. I think I'm gonna stop right there. I mean, I know it's gonna be a short bolt, but better than not having any bolts at all. That's all I'm gonna do right there. Yeah. Okay. Now that I've got that done, I need to get this on there. Where's my... Let's see. I know that center of it's there, so this is probably, I'm gonna say about right there. Okay, so that should be the hole we need to drill, hopefully. May have to drill it a little bit bigger than 5/16 in order to hit it, but I think we can get it. Well, let me take this in there on the drill press, drill this out. Back in a few minutes. Okay, let's see how good we did. I need that. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Alrighty, by golly, we got it up. And then we'll just tack weld this on here because this thing's got a tremendous amount of force. There's one. There's two. And that's going to be awfully close to that engine. Let's put it right here. Alrighty. Well, by golly, we got her fixed. And that's great. Come winter time, I'll tack weld all this stuff, but for right now, this will get me through the rest of the summer.